Want to boost your security on TikTok? Changing your password regularly is a great way to do that. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to change your TikTok password easily. So let's learn the complete method on your Android phone. So open the TikTok app, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Now go to Settings and Privacy. Tap Account and select Password. If required, enter your current password. If not, you will simply get a verification code to your number or email. So simply enter the verification code. After that, you will be able to change your password. Create a new password, but make sure to make a strong one. Follow the below password requirements to create your new password. Once you are done, hit continue to save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your TikTok password. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy solutions and tech tips in the future.